Hi everybody, foXnoMad here, and today I want to help you travel smarter. So let's say you've got a pair of over-ear noise-canceling headphones or headphones with a wire, and you're looking for something that might be a little bit smaller, like earbuds, or wireless, like earbuds. And naturally, you'd probably want to take a look at the Bose or the Sony just to see what they offer, since their over-ear headphones are some of the best noise-canceling headphones that you can get. Now, I've reviewed both of these earbuds separately, and I'll link to those videos in the description below, but I thought it'd be interesting to take a look at how these two compare to each other, because most of you are going to be looking at this Bose versus this Sony, because they do make the best over-ear noise-canceling headphones, so chances are you're going to check out their earbuds. Here's how they compare. First, let's start with the price. These Bose are almost double the price of the Sony, which recently went on sale, and it looks like a price drop that's more or less going to stick around for a while. The Bose just debuted. They're 1 year newer than the Sony and straight up expensive. There's $150 between these two when the sales align. Now, the sound quality and especially noise canceling are far superior on the Bose, but it's also missing a few things that you might want for that more expensive price. But how much you pay and what you get are kind of dependent on what you want and your budget. And when it comes to these Bose, there's two features that really stand out. There are two features, the active noise canceling and the sound quality, that really stand out, and you go, hey, that's worth the price. But in a lot of other ways, it kind of lets you down and makes you think you might have overpaid, unless ANC and sound quality are very important to you. When it comes to the Sony, they are smaller, sleeker, more portable. The ANC is decent. It's like advanced noise reduction, I call it, as opposed to full cancellation, but the case gives you more battery life, and it is also about half the price almost of the Bose. Another thing to consider here are where these earbuds are going to fit in the gear that you already have. If you already have headphones with active noise canceling, are these earbuds going to complement those? So these are just earbuds you use from time to time, or are these going to be the main headphones you use on a daily basis? If you already have a pair of over-ear headphones with noise cancellation, the Bose or the Sony, or anything that's over-ear generally is going to have better ANC than these two earbuds. That's because larger headphones have more physical space manufacturers can use to fit in microphones and processors, all of those things needed to support ANC and great sound quality. In earbuds, you've got to shrink all of that down, and with both of these earbuds, none of those will quite match their big brothers in terms of battery, sound, or ANC. But the Bose really come a lot closer to that ANC of its bigger brothers as opposed to these Sony. The Sony don't really compare to the over-ear Sony. So the noise canceling here and the sound quality is going to be a noticeable step down if you're used to those over-ear headphones. When you use these earbuds, it's going to be a noticeable step down. So if you're thinking that you can use these on flights, cancel out jet engine noise, the Sony aren't going to do it. But the Bose can cut out jet engine noise. They're still not quite as good as their over-ear brothers, but it's close. It's pretty close. I'd say if these are the only earbuds you're going to carry, and if you fly very frequently and noise cancellation is really important to you, these earbuds could be the only earbuds that you carry. If the same is true for you, these Sony are just not going to cut it. You can use these on a flight. It's going to cut down engine noise, but it's not going to completely cancel it out. And if that's something that you're used to or you're looking for, then you're going to have to pay extra with the Bose to get those features. But if you're going to keep your larger Sony or Bose over-ear headphones, then the Sony WF-1000XM3 make a nice complement for those times you don't want to lug around your larger pair of headphones. In other words, you've got your larger headphones for when you really want that powerful ANC. So if you're on a flight or in a subway or you're in an office and you really want to cut out the exterior world, then you can use your over-ear headphones for that. And these smaller Bose can save you a little bit of money. And these can be the ones that you use when you don't need so much noise cancellation. You don't care so much about the sound quality. These can kind of be your on-the-go earbuds as opposed to your noise canceling all the time earbuds. A few things to note though, the Bose are IPX4 rated, meaning you can wear them in rain or if you're sweating, whereas the WF-1000XM3 aren't IPX rated at all. It's a limitation like the battery life of the Bose charging case. Both the Sony and the Bose will give you 6 hours of battery life in each earbud, but the Sony case has 18 hours of additional charge with faster charging than the Bose. The Bose gives you an additional 12 hours of charging and wireless charging, but I would have preferred the longer battery life. And while we're on the subject of cases, let's talk about your use case. The Sony case is much better designed than the Bose. First, you get the superior battery life and quick charging. 10 minutes in the case adds 90 minutes of charge, but physically it's so much sleeker. The Sony case is easier to fit in and out of your pocket, and this magnetic lid makes it so easy to open and close quickly. The Bose case is clunky, it doesn't hold as much charge or charge as quickly as the Sony. If you're planning to carry this in your pocket a lot, it's going to be annoying. If you have smaller pockets, it might even just be impossible, but it comes down to your use case. If you know that your earbuds are always going to be carried in a backpack, so you're going to have your earbuds, but the case is always going to be with you in some kind of bag, then the clunky case doesn't mean as much. But if you're somebody who's going to use these on the go a lot, so you're not going to always have your bag, you're thinking about throwing these in your pocket, something like the AirPods Pro, you want something that's a little bit slimmer, then the Sony are going to be the ones that you want to look at. In the end, it comes down to bang for your buck. The Bose give you great ANC and sound quality, but they're expensive and they lack on a lot of features where the Sony excels. The Sony are a good pair of earbuds. Like, I'm not bashing these earbuds. I don't think they're bad. But if you really want ANC and you're coming from those over-ear or wired noise canceling headphones, then you're going to notice that the ANC is not really that good here and the sound quality isn't great either. But if you've already got larger over-ear headphones and you know you're going to continue to use those, then you've got your ANC powerhouse when you need it, and you've got your on-the-go earbuds when you need that. Otherwise, if you're looking at the only pair of earbuds, the only pair of headphones you're going to use, and sound quality and ANC are very important to you, then the Bose might be worth the price. They might be worth looking at more than the Sony. Hopefully this video helps you make that choice between these two earbuds. I know when I was looking for earbuds, these are the two that I wanted to look at most closely because I know they're larger cousins, they're wired cousins. They do ANC and sound quality really well. Bose has brought a lot of that to the smaller earbuds. Sony quite hasn't. So there you go. Hopefully this helps you make that choice. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments below. And while you're down there, hit the like and subscribe buttons. I'll have new videos for you every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.